How to log in to Reasons Bank online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Reasons Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in Reason Bank Login. Once it is so, you will see its official website on your first search result that says Reasons Online Banking. Tap open that link and here simply type in your username. Once you have done that, if you would like this site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says Remember My Username. Once done, tap on to continue. And at this page, just simply type in your password at this box and tap on to continue. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password and get help resetting your account. And just like so, if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your Reasons Bank online banking account. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.